What if you woke up one day and the sun was gone? Not behind a cloud, gone. For about 8 minutes, nothing would seem different. Then, like a switch flipped, daylight turns to midnight across the entire planet. As the temperature drops and darkness takes over, Earth begins a countdown it's not designed to survive. This isn't just science fiction. Physics can tell us what happens next. If the sun suddenly vanished, we wouldn't even notice at first. That's because light and gravity from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. During that brief time, the sky would look exactly the same. Then, as the last photons hit our world, the illusion ends. The sky would go black instantly. No sunlight, no warmth, no blue sky, no more reflection from the moon. Even familiar shadows would vanish, and only artificial lights would keep the darkness at bay. The solar system, at least from our view, would go cold and silent. Without the sun, Earth starts losing heat immediately. Within hours, temperatures plummet. Most regions would feel like the dead of winter, only much colder. Within 24 hours, the average global surface temperature could drop below freezing. Without solar radiation, the balance that powers our climate disappears. Weather patterns collapse. Winds slow. Clouds condense. The oceans begin to cool from the surface downward, and frozen fog might form in the atmosphere. Most plants stop photosynthesis instantly. In the cold and dark, ecosystems start to panic. With no natural light or warmth, humanity turns to artificial energy. Power grids face record-breaking demand as people heat their homes and try to light the world. Solar panels go offline instantly. Backup generators, nuclear plants, and fossil fuels become the only lifeline. Governments declare emergencies. Cities glow unnaturally in the darkness. Panic spreads. Farms, food transport, and supply chains struggle to adapt. And with no sunrise to reset our biological clocks, confusion and psychological stress grow. For the first time in history, humans would experience a full 24-hour period without any sunlight at all. Then, as suddenly as it vanished, the sun reappears. Light spills over the horizon. Temperatures begin to rise. But the world it returns to is not the one it left behind. Crops are damaged, animals are disoriented, and some regions face widespread infrastructure failure. Economies shake. Science books are rewritten. Life slowly recovers, but not without scars. One day without the sun would be enough to unravel the systems we take for granted. Light, warmth, time itself, all are tied to that distant star. Would humanity survive a second day? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending science.